say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life.
We're here in Punta Gorda, Florida, and we noticed the tires. What is going on there?
Well, the thing they don't tell you about the cars in Florida is that you don't need tread because there's no hills.
Oh.
There's nothing to grip. You just go, and if you don't stop, then, you know, you gotta hope you have enough in your retirement to buy another one.
Welcome back to reality. Wiring harness. Why? I should have just put fuel injectors in this car. Everything I don't need, everything I might need. Let me know if you want a sticker. I'll mail them out for free, if I can. I haven't mailed anything in a long time.
Soft tossing left-hander, low 80s in high school and into his time at West Point. Transferred to the University of Virginia, but he's put on muscle, he's put on pounds, and man can he pitch. 2-2 to Laureano, 1 on, 1 out to pitch. Swing and a miss, fastball, adios. And Connolly's got his second strikeout on the top of the first.
Yeah, something
Alright, so here's the paint I'm going to use. I actually bought it for a previous car that I never even ended up using the paint. So otherwise I would do rattle cans, but I might as well use this up. I don't think it's exactly the correct color. It's like there's so many different whites from the 80s to the 90s, so this one is WA3967, so I think it's a little different. I think it's polar white or whatever, and I believe this is Arctic white. I don't know. We'll give it a shot.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.